Welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing a healthy and fiber-rich masala jowar roti recipe. It's a perfect filling meal for breakfast, lunch or dinner in your weight loss journey. So without waiting much time, let's get started with the recipe. To make masala jowar roti, I am using homemade jowar flour. This is I soaked the jowar 2 3 hours. Then I dried in a cloth and grained in mixer and grained into the powder. This is a homemade jowar flour. Now I already chopped the. For this we required half medium sized onion and 2 green chilies. Finally chopped 2 green chilies, and you can increase or decrease according to your taste suited. You can increase decrease the green chilies, and half medium sized cucumber, one half medium sized carrot grated. I already I also chopped finally methi leaves, that is the fenugreek leaves. Instead of this fenugreek leaves, methi leaves, you can use any other, you can add any other leaves like coriander. These are the 2 handful methi leaves I am taking. Now, first of all, take one bowl. Now add all the ingredients. First, methi I am adding to this. Methi I am taking. After that, uh, finally chopped green chilies, cucumber, onions, carrot. Take all the ingredients. Now mix all the vegetables. Take all the vegetables. First, add all the vegetables. Take all vegetables. Now add salt, pink salt to this one. And freshly grinded peppercorn powder, black pepper, that is half teaspoon. For this, I am adding turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, jeera, that is cumin seeds, half teaspoon of jeera, and roasted cumin powder, that is jeera powder, half teaspoon of roasted jeera powder. Now mix all the ingredients with the hand. We can see this water will be released if you're mixing all the vegetables, all these ingredients. If you if you're having ajwain, you can add ajwain also. Crushed ajwain you can add for the flavor. This black pepper freshly, if you grind and add to your recipes, it gives good flavor to it. This one, and it assimilates the turmeric faster to your body. So while in your recipes, while you are using turmeric pepper also, after mixing all the ingredients, now I am adding the 1 cup of jowar flour. Now mix all the jowar and the vegetables. This is a very perfect filling meal for your breakfast, lunch and dinner. It's in Karnataka. This is a staple food. Jowar is a staple food for them. They will make many variations, many food items with this jowar. For this, I am adding 1/4 cup of hot water. Already, I heated the water. This for this mixture, I am adding 1/4 cup of hot water. After adding the hot water, don't keep your hand. Mix with the spoon. It is rich in fiber. And this is millets. Actually, millets are not in our olden days. They will eat our fathers or forefathers. They will eat that millets. Very healthy food. We can you can see this how the water is releasing, and make a perfect dough. Consistency should be a spreadable consistency. With your fingers it should be spread, not much thick and not much thin. Now I am taking a one wet cloth. On this wet cloth I am making a dough, round sized ball. On this one I am spreading into a round circle, made into a round shaped dough, and flattening the dough with your fingers into a round circle. Now I heated the tawa and greases with oil. After heating, place the cloth napkin and roti side down on the hot tawa. Now place the cloth napkin roti side down on the hot tawa. Wait here couple of seconds, then slowly remove the napkin. Sprinkle some water on the roti. Now slowly remove the napkin. Now sprinkle some water on the roti. No need of oil. Just sprinkle some water on the roti to make the roti soft and not stick on the pan also. And fry the roti both sides. Fry the roti on both sides till brown color. For taste, if you want for taste, you can add 1/4 teaspoon of the ghee or coconut oil for this on the roti. Or otherwise, you are doing oil free, you can avoid that one. This roti is very tasty. If you add the ghee, means you will get all nutrients. In the nutrients also you can add it in this one. Take another roti also. I am dipping my fingers in water to make roti soft and not stick to your fingers. The dough will not stick to your fingers. Make the roti like this. Now remove the roti from the pan, tawa, and serve in one plate, and serve with any chutney. Masala jowar roti ready. Serve with any chutney, pickle, or serve with raita curd. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe and click on the bell icon for further videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care.